states of matter are the different forms that matter can take. Looking around, you can observe 4 different states of matter: gas, liquid, solid, and plasma. As plasma deserves a full video on its own, let's focus on the first 3 states. A solid is a material that is composed of particles, molecules, or atoms that are closely packed together and have a definite shape and volume. When you pick up an object, it will feel solid because the atoms are packed tightly together. The force between the particles are so strong that they can only vibrate and not freely move. To change their shapes, you need to apply an outside force, for example by breaking or cutting them. Certain solids have their particles packed in a regularly ordered, repeating pattern, for example ice or diamonds. Solids can be changed into liquids by heating them. They can also be changed back into solids by cooling them, through freezing. A liquid is a state of matter that has a fixed volume, at constant temperature and pressure, and takes on the shape of its container. Indeed, interatomic forces are still important, giving the molecules enough energy to move relative to each other. Therefore, the structure is mobile, and liquids do not have definite shapes. Can you guess what is the most abundant liquid on Earth? You're right, it is water. That's why we call the Earth the blue planet. Interesting fact about water is that in its liquid state, its volume is less than in its solid state. That's why icebergs float in the sea. A gas is defined as a substance that occupies the space and has no definite shape or volume. The gases are usually non-reactive, meaning they do not react with other substances easily, and has the property to expand to fill the container. In gases, the particles have enough kinetic energy, or are considered ideal, so that the effect of intermolecular forces is small and the particles can move freely. As opposed to a liquid, a gas is compressible. Finally, do you know what is the most abundant gas in our atmosphere? Nitrogen? Well done.
Please do not subscribe if you prefer to enjoy this sweet bliss of ignorance.